Look at the rain. It is a rainy day. Zoomie is walking. He has a yellow umbrella. Look at his feet. He has red boots. The rain is gone. Now it is sunny. It is a sunny day. Lazy is happy. It is very warm. Lazy, put on your hat. Good. Oh, listen to the wind. Whoosh, it is windy. Flash is cold. He says, it is windy. I need my coat. Put on your coat, Flash. Winter is here. It is snowy. It is a snowy day. Snow is fun. The rabbits are warm. They have jackets, scarves, hats, and boots. We love winter.